Get Rich Slow with John Wolf. Hey, my company made a crazy announcement internally about a week ago. So apparently, my company believes that interest rates are going to be in the lows twos, and they announced that they're going to have to do new programming to actually write a mortgage loan that's at 2% interest. And that's not a pie in the sky, far out thing. A couple days ago, I actually locked a 2.5% interest conventional, and I think it's very likely that we might see 2% 30-year VA FHA loans in the next couple months. I don't know if it'll go that far, but it's definitely cruising in that direction. Lots of people that I'm looking at their locks right now and doing the loan pricing. Since pricing is going down, I'm not locking them. But my sheet for a 30-year for a VA loan only goes to 2.75, and I actually have to pay them a credit in most cases, which is just mind-boggling. It's just crazy, isn't it? Anyways, I'm a loan officer in Oregon and Washington. So if you want help purchasing, especially first-time home buyers and veterans, please hit me up. But if you want help refinancing your home loan, I would also love to be your guy. My info is right here and in the description. Please subscribe and smash that like button because I'm going to try to bring you guys great advice on a weekly or daily basis as best as I can. But anyways, that's the crazy news in the market. I mean, interest rates are just going down. I can't believe it. There's no end in sight. The Federal Reserve has sort of indicated that they're going to hold interest rates down through the year. And it's really brilliant because without spending any of our tax dollars, what's happening is people can refinance right now as long as they have a job, probably get a few $1,000s cash in hand, skip a couple months mortgage payment, and then start again with a mortgage payment that's, $200, $300, $400, $500, $600 a month less. And nothing ever has to leave their pocket their entire time. And a lot of the time when I'm looking at refinances, I can set up the loan so that it has the same, total payoff date in 30 years or 27 years or whatever as the original one does. So you're not even resetting that clock. It's just amazing. So anyways, if you would like my help, I would love to hear from you. John Wolf, I'm currently working out of Portland, Oregon. Have an awesome day. Take care. Bye.